Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get this player, Vinicius Junior. So Vinicius Junior itself is become star pass player in this season. So you can get this Vinicius by tapping star pass and purchase this star pass. And he is meta right now because he is star pass player with good trade, and you can get this Vinicius Junior after you got to 60 level in the star pass. But if you have some cash, some coin, you can buy Vinicius Junior in the market. Go to the market and you can get this one Vinicius Junior, but let's tap the search button, tap the quality and tap this one, legendary, save and search. And this one, you can get this Vinicius Junior with 5 million and about almost 6 million. You can buy him, but you have to wait until there are someone to sell this Vinicius Junior. So if you get some coin, please give it a try to buy Vinicius Junior in the market. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click text button below. Enjoy the game.